Okay, so today we're gonna make cheesy baked chicken and spinach with rice casserole. So the ingredients that we need will be chicken thighs, remove the skin, remove the bones, only the meat. And so we marinate them with about 2 teaspoons of oregano, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, and also 5 cloves of garlic finely chopped. So you can marinate them for about 30 minutes to overnight time. And here we have some spinach which we have wilted with some olive oil. So you just put in 2 tablespoons of olive oil to stir fry the spinach until they are wilted. And here we have some mozzarella cheese slices, and here we have some thyme for the garnishing, and here we have some cream cheese to spread on top of the chicken, and here we have our cooked rice or parboiled rice, you can call it that, and you can just line them into the aluminium foil pan just like that. So now what we need to do is we'll have to put the chicken on top of this rice, smear some cream cheese on top of the chicken, and layer them with some spinach, and then the mozzarella cheese on top of the spinach. Okay, so here's a foil pan of rice, and we'll just put the whole piece of chicken, right? Here's a whole piece of chicken on top of the rice. So this is one whole thigh which has been deboned and skin removed. So we just place them on top of the rice, and we'll put some cream cheese on top. Right, so this will continue for the next 3 aluminium foil pan to layer the chicken with the cream cheese. Right, so this is the chicken layered with the cream cheese. So now we have to top them off with some spinach. So we'll make sure that the spinach cover most of the chicken. Right, so now that our spinach has covered the chicken, so our next ingredient will be our mozzarella cheese. So our mozzarella cheese is this one whole slice, so we just place them onto the spinach just like this, and we'll arrange for the rest as well until all of the ingredients are finished up, and then we can pop them in the oven to bake using 175 degrees Celsius heat, top and bottom heat, for about 35 to 40 minutes until the chicken is thoroughly cooked.